Welcome to Tech Central. My name is Matthew Proft, and I'm the good fortune of being the Director of Precincts at UTS. I've been on a Tech Central journey for some 7 years. Through good fortune and happenstance, I was there at the very beginning when Scott Farquhar and David Thodey came together to explore the idea of an innovation district in this neighborhood. And by some lucky steps and a lot of time and effort, I've had the unique opportunity to go on the journey from that ideation moment through the creation of a range of the amazing facilities that have come about here, the scale-up hub that we'll see in a little while, the enablement of this neighborhood, and more importantly, the enablement of this community. And this tour is really about how I can help my community to better understand the opportunity and the capabilities that we find here in Tech Central. So thank you for coming on this tour with me. Make sure you connect, make sure you share your stories with each other and share them with me as well. So thank you so much. All right, let's keep going.